Hi, this is Loon Bird. In today's video, I cover tips on how to ace it at the KTV. So these are not tips that will make you a better singer overnight, but they will certainly help in ensuring a much pleasant singing experience. And if people knew about this, it may come off as a little ridiculous, but hey, doing well always requires a little bit of planning. Here's one. Plan ahead the songs that you intend to sing. Select songs you know really well, as they are usually the ones that you would be a lot more confident in singing. I mean, you don't want to hold onto a mic and scramble your way through a song that you like, but you're not sure how to fully sing it. Before the session, run through several tongue twisters, and while doing so, practice on your pronunciation and your vowels, and refrain from stretching your mouth too much like Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. You want to keep it narrow. Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers, for instance. So for tongue twister ideas, I have tons on my IG account at TheLoonBird. Feel free to use them. So I always encourage warming up your voice before any kinds of singing activities, and a simple one would be the lip trill, which many of you are familiar with. So start with something that's comfortable, and you want to work your way up and down the scale. And if you have an issue doing that, you may want to give it some support by putting your two fingers by the side of your lip and then do the same. So what does singing at a comfortable key mean? Well, if you know a song's going to be too high for you, bring down the key. That's what the function at a KTV is for. Bring it down to its comfortable, use it to your advantage. We're all born with a unique voice and range, so don't force yourself to hit those high notes of a song that your voice is not ready for or not meant for. So if you can avoid this would save you on all the throat clearing, which I find really annoying to do so when I'm singing halfway. Yep, you're saying this right. Avoid alcohol. Nah, just kidding. We'll make this an exception, okay? So feel the song. If you think you can't sing but still enjoy singing, let me tell you that everyone can learn to sing. But for now, a cheat code for you would be to add on a layer of emotions when you sing. A song sung with emotions is more engaging than someone who sings without any emotions. So try this out, and all the best with your next KTV session. Till my next video. Bye!